Am I audible?
Yes, teacher.
When is your first semester exam? Did you get any timetable?
अभी मैंने नहीं पढ़ा.
Huh?
अभी मैंने नहीं पढ़ा.
Okay, okay.
मालूम नहीं पढ़ा.
हाँ, ठीक है. Ali Hassan, yesterday did you attend math lecture?
Yes, teacher.
Only you were there?
Yes, teacher.
Okay. So let's start with our science chapter, lesson number 12, food for all. Okay. Give me 1 second. Can you see my screen?
No, teacher.
No?
Yes, teacher.
Okay.
Yes, teacher.
Okay. So our topic is food for all. So let me ask some questions to you. Be frank, okay? Don't get nervous. And first of all, I will introduce myself. My name is Navina, and I will be teaching science for you. Okay, if you have any doubts, don't be hesitate. You can
Yes.
ask. Okay. Okay. So tell me, Ali Hassan, which parts of plants do we use as food?
Jawar, bajra.
Okay. So why we eat food?
When we can. हम लोग फूड नहीं ईट करेंगे तो
हाँ, नहीं करेंगे तो what will happen? What will happen if imagine today yesterday you didn't have your food? Okay, so what would be your condition? नहीं तो आज रात को खाना नहीं खाने वाला है. Yeah, you will feel weak. So from food what we get? Food से हमें क्या मिलता है? Power, energy. Okay, very good. So from where we get this food? किधर से मिलता है हमें food? विलेज में किधर से आता है फूड? टिंक. किधर से आता है फूड? यू ओनली टोल्ड एग्जाम. Plants, very good. Plants say we get food from plants. Okay, and you told jawar, all this food we get from plants. Okay, so in fourth standard, I hope you have learned about season. Are you comfortable with English? Okay, अगर कुछ समझ नहीं आ रहा तो you can ask me. Okay, so in fourth standard, have you learned about agricultural season?
Yes, teacher.
Okay. Can you tell me which are the agricultural seasons?
Summer season, rainy season.
So in agricultural terms, there are two types of season. Can you recall it? No?
Rabi season
Yes, very good. Rabi
and
season,
Kharif season.
Kharif season. Very good. Okay.
And Kharif
So,
season.
yeah, very good. Very good. Okay. So we know that all the living things in this world, they depend on plants. From plants, we get food. Isn't it? Am I correct?
Yes, teacher.
Okay. और so who cultivate this plant? ये प्लांट को कल्टीवेट कौन करता है? हम और हमारे तक फूड कौन लेके आता है? Who cultivate this plant for
Farmers.
farmers? Very good. So you know the term agriculture. What is meant by agriculture? Agriculture means cultivating plants and animals. Okay. We cultivate, we grow animals also. From animals also we get food, isn't it? Okay. So
Yes.
now tell me, we get all the fruits, all the vegetables in all season?
No, teacher.
No. Some fruits or some vegetables we get during rainy season. Some we get during winter season. Okay. So there are mainly two types of agricultural season. Okay. And this is important question in this chapter. Okay. There are two agricultural season. They are Kharif season and Rabi season.
Yes.
So the crops which cultivate during rainy season, they are known as the season when the crops depend on
season.
rain. Yes, Kharif. So Kharif season, during Kharif season, the crops, they are mainly depend on rain. And in Rabi season, the crops, they are mainly depend on
Then.
रेन खरीफ सीजन. ओके, खरीफ सीजन में जो क्रॉप्स ग्रो होता है उनको रेन में से डायरेक्ट वाटर पानी मिलता है. लेकिन रबी सीजन में सो खरीफ सीजन द मंथ इज जून टू अक्टूबर. ओके, खरीफ सीजन द सीजन इज फ्रॉम जून टू अक्टूबर. एंड व्हाट अबाउट रबी सीजन? Rabi season, the month is October to March. So from October to March, we will get rain. Do we get rain
Yes,
during this October to March? Do we get continuous rain?
No, teacher.
No. Then how the crops will get water during this season?
Harvesting.
Harvesting is a different procedure. देखो, हम लोग ने पढ़ा कि क्रॉप्स ऐसा भी क्रॉप्स रहता है जो विंटर सीजन में कल्टीवेट करते, तो वो क्रॉप्स को पानी किधर से मिलता है? किधर से मिलता है? कैन यू सी माई स्क्रीन?
Underground water.
हाँ, yes,
Underground water.
yes, underground water. Can you see my screen?
Yes, teacher.
So read this sentence. Rabi season sentence you read.
There are two main agricultural
From here
seasons in
you read. See, I am pointing out. From here you read. The season.
Rabi season.
Yes. Continue.
Rabi season. The season from October to March. In this season, rainwater that was soaked into the soil. Then retreating monsoons.
Retreating monsoons
and dew are the sources of water for the crop.
Okay. So after rain, the water will be soaked into the soil, right? So that water the crops will use. like that. Retreating monsoon. Retreating monsoon means what? See, our monsoon season will suddenly stop. Once the October will come, the rain will suddenly stop. Is it like that? जल्दी बारिश बंद हो जाएगा अक्टूबर महीने में?
No, teacher.
No, slowly. It will slowly stop. So that is called retreating monsoon. Okay, withdrawal of monsoon season slowly. That is called retreating monsoon. Is there any doubt, Ali Hassan?
No, teacher.
हाँ, तो the water which has soaked into the soil, फिर retreating monsoon and dew. You know the meaning of dew? Have you seen dew?
No,
Early,
teacher.
early morning when you observe the leaves, can you see water particles on the leaves?
Yes, teacher.
That is dew. Okay, in Hindi, I think Os. Have you heard Os?
No, teacher.
No. जब leaves के ऊपर पानी रहता है, पानी, tiny particles of water. If you observe in early morning, you can see. Okay, so that is dew. Okay, so
Yes,
dew,
teacher.
so during Rabi season, the crops will get water from where? From where they will get the water?
Underground water.
Underground water.
Underground water.
Then retreating monsoon. Repeat with me. Retreating monsoon.
Retreating monsoon.
Water that has soaked into the soil. Water
that soaked into the soil.
Soaked.
Water
that has
soaked
into the soil.
that has into the soil.
Okay, and dew, D-E-W, dew, are the sources of water.
Are the sources of the water.
Okay, so the Kharif
Or the
season
crop.
means, Kharif season means the season from which month? Which month comes under Kharif season?
June to October.
June to October, very good. And Rabi season? Which month?
October to March.
October to
October
March.
to March.
Okay, so are you clear with Kharif season and Rabi season?
Yes, teacher.
So these two are very, very important. Okay, in higher classes also you have to learn about these terms. Okay, so now from March to June also some crops are grown, and these crops are called summer crops. Okay, the crops which are grown from March to June, these are called summer crops. Okay, now, so agriculture, it is not an easy task. Okay, farmers are doing hard work. Okay, so if they get production, a large production, then only they will get more income. अगर उन लोग ने कल्टीवेट किया और उसका प्रोडक्शन ज्यादा होएगा तो ये पैसा मिलेगा, isn't it? अगर कम हुआ तो पैसा मिलेगा? मिलेगा?
No, teacher.
No. So they, and listen, if farmers are doing hard work, then also they will get more production. अगर वो लोग ने बहुत मेहनत किया तो उनको ज्यादा प्रोडक्शन मिलेगा, ज्यादा क्रॉप्स मिलेगा.
Yes, teacher.
और सिर्फ हार्ड वर्क करने से ज्यादा प्रोडक्शन मिलेगा? Is there any other factors which affect the production?
Yes, teacher.
Which are the factors? और क्या क्या चीज होना चाहिए अच्छा प्रोडक्शन के लिए? If, for example,
good harvest होना चाहिए.
हाँ, for
Good
example,
harvest होना चाहिए.
लेकिन हार्वेस्ट होने के लिए क्या क्या होना चाहिए, क्या क्या फैक्टर्स है उधर? फॉर एग्जाम्पल अली हसन एक राइस का क्रॉप्स कल्टीवेट कर रहा है. ओके, इमेजिन यू आर ए फार्मर नाउ एंड यू आर कल्टीवेटिंग राइस क्रॉप. ओके, वो सॉइल अच्छा नहीं है, पानी नहीं मिल रहा है, बट यू आर डूइंग हार्ड वर्क, then you will get good production of rice. Will you get? Your mic is muted.
No, teacher.
No. So when you are cultivating, you have to think about the soil also. If water is water is available, so all these factors affect good agriculture. Okay, and soil कैसा होना चाहिए? What kind of soil should be there? कैसा soil होना
अच्छा
चाहिए?
soil होना चाहिए.
अच्छा मतलब what? There is a term, fertile soil. The soil should be fertile. Then what is meant by fertile? Fertile. What is meant by fertile? Fertile मतलब क्या है?
Fertile मतलब खाद.
Yes, the soil should contain all the nutrients which helpful for the growth of the plant. Am I correct?
Yes,
See,
teacher.
अगर अली हसन को if your mother is providing only chapati daily, morning, evening, night, only you are getting chapati, will you get all kind of nutrients?
No, teacher.
No. So in same way, plants also get all kind of nutrients. So it should the plant should be cultivated in fertile soil. Okay, the term is very, very important. Fertile, fertile soil. And when you're studying, no, such spelling you should write and learn. Okay, don't do rote learning, write and then learn. Then only you can easily memorize it. Okay, so here what we
Yes.
have learned, we learned about Kharif season, Rabi season, and then summer crops.
Season.
Yes, very good. Now, see, in olden days, agriculture we can divide it into two ways: traditional agriculture also, modern agriculture also. So, what is the difference between traditional agriculture and modern agriculture? What did you understand? Is there any difference between traditional agriculture and modern agriculture?
Yes, teacher.
So what is meant by traditional agriculture?
ट्रेडिशनल एग्रीकल्चर में काव पानी निकालती थी एक लेदर बैग के से.
Have you seen farming in village when you
Yes,
visited?
teacher.
So कैसे करते हैं farmers? Farming कैसे करते हैं? पहले क्या करते हैं?
पहले पानी जमा करते, फिर जमीन को गांव की वजह से खोदते.
हाँ, कैसे
फिर
कैसे
उसमें
खोदते?
सीड्स डालते.
खुद खोदते वो लोग? जमीन को कैसे खोदते?
नहीं, काव खोदती है. काव
हाँ,
खोदती है.
ओके. फिर क्या करते?
फिर उसमें सीड डालते.
Okay, seeds डालते. Okay, so first they will plow the land. Okay, जमीन खोदना मतलब plow the land. Okay, plowing the land. Okay, उसके बाद they will sow the seed. Then they will provide water, fertilizers, etc. Okay, तो पुराने जमाने में ये सब कैसे होता था? When you compare this traditional and modern, in olden days, how the farmers used to do all these procedures, all these steps, ये steps सब कैसे करते थे? For plowing, what they use?
Cow.
Cow, ox. Okay, with the help of oxen they used to plow the land. Okay, और वैसा same like that they use oxen to draw water. Okay, पानी लेके आने के लिए they use or they depend on oxen. Okay, and there they use one leather bag that is called moat. M-O-T, moat. See in this picture, can you see? See, these are moat. Moat
Yes,
means leather bag. Okay, so using this moat, they draw the water, and with the help of oxen, they fetch the water and bring to the farming land. Okay, so in the olden methods, or we can say in traditional methods, they have done everything manually. Okay, तो modern में क्या हो रहा है? So in modern agriculture, plowing के लिए और watering के लिए, what they are doing, what they are using? For example, you told that in traditional agriculture, for plowing they use oxen. Okay, so nowadays what they are using? क्या यूज कर रहे हैं?
motors,
Sorry,
motors,
motors, tractor,
motors.
machines, isn't it?
Yes,
Have you seen tractor? Okay, so
yes,
nowadays,
teacher.
yes, so in modern agriculture method, they are using tractor to plow the land, and for watering they are using, watering के लिए क्या यूज कर रहे हैं? Are they using animals?
No,
In
teacher.
So what they are using?
Motor,
Motor, or we can say with the help,
motors.
yes, with the help of pipes and motor, they are watering the plants. Okay, so these are the difference between traditional and modern agricultural method. Idhar tak, if you have any doubt, please ask me. Is there any doubt? Or is it
No,
clear?
teacher.
Okay, so till this,
Yes, teacher.
okay, very good. So now we'll see modern methods of agriculture in detail. Okay, so first, improved seeds. Okay, so what is meant by
Yes.
improved seeds? So you told that already this chapter is taught in your school. So what did you understand by improved seeds? Improved seeds matlab what?
Modern method में
Huh?
improved seed मतलब motor method है.
Once again.
Improved seeds मतलब modern method है.
Modern method है. तो improved seed से meaning क्या है? Why they are calling improved seeds?
क्योंकि ये improved seeds के वजह से जो वो रहते हैं क्या बोलते हैं?
क्या बोलते हैं? Quality.
जो
Correct
क्वालिटी
है?
रहती है वो बढ़ जाती है.
They
Yes,
are
teacher.
using quality. अच्छा क्वालिटी सीड्स यूज करते. ओके, तो जब अच्छा क्वालिटी वाला सीड यूज करते तो प्रोडक्शन भी कैसा रहेगा?
अच्छा रहेगा.
अच्छा रहेगा. ओके, सो प्लीज रीड द सेंटेंस improved seeds.
These have a higher yield. They
Yield.
can reach
One
past
second.
attack
Please
some
wait. Higher yield.
higher yield. They
हाँ.
can reach past attack
Resist.
some
They can
varieties.
resist.
They can resist pest attack. Some varieties become ripe for harvesting in a shorter period of time, while some give a high yield even
Yield.
with
Don't say
a
yield.
low
Yield.
water supply.
Okay, don't pronounce yield, it is yield. Okay, so when you are using improved seeds, what are the benefits? Okay, they can resist pest attack. So what is meant by pest attack? Pest attack मतलब क्या है?
Fungus.
Yes. Only fungus. See, if you plant a any crop, after 2 or 3 days, you can see the leaves are eaten by some insects. So that is
Yes.
pest attack. Pest attack means attack by insects, bacteria, fungus, all those things. Okay. So if you are using improved seeds, you can resist. You can protect these seeds from or these plants from pest attack. Okay. अगर आप क्वालिटी वाला सीड्स यूज कर रहे हो तो क्या बेनिफिट है? पेस्ट अटैक से वो प्लांट को हम बचा सकते हैं. That is the meaning of resist pest attack. Okay. And some varieties become ripe
Yes.
for harvesting in a shorter period of time. और क्या है, shorter period में हम वो plant harvest कर सकते हैं. Quality seeds use करने से जो benefit है, first you can resist pest attack. Second, you can harvest the plant before or in a shorter period of time. Okay. And they give high yield, high production. They give high production. So these are the benefits of using improved seeds. Is there any doubt in this section? Improved
No,
seeds में
teacher.
कुछ doubt है?
No, teacher.
Okay. So next is irrigation. Irrigation मतलब what? Irrigation का meaning क्या है?
Irrigation. मॉडर्न मेथड में इरिगेशन आता है.
हाँ, तो इरिगेशन का मतलब क्या है?
इरिगेशन में वाटर सेव होता है.
इरिगेशन मतलब वाटरिंग. ओके. प्लांट्स को पानी देना, वो टर्म है इरिगेशन. इरिगेशन मतलब वाटरिंग. ओके. तो मॉडर्न इरिगेशन में क्या क्या यूज करते हैं? आर दे यूजिंग एनिमल्स फॉर मॉडर्न इरिगेशन?
नो टीचर.
No. So in modern irrigation or in irrigation methods, they are using two types of irrigation. One is drip irrigation, another is sprinkle irrigation. Okay, so in traditional method, what they did, they use oxen to carry or to draw the water from the canals. Can you see canal in the picture?
यस टीचर.
तो ट्रेडिशनल मेथड में क्या, वो लोग ऑक्सन के हेल्प से कैनाल से पानी फार्मिंग लैंड में लेके आते थे. लेकिन nowadays they are using pipes. Okay, they are using motor and pipes to irrigate the farming land. Okay, so two types of irrigation are there, irrigation methods are there, and this is also very very important. Okay, drip irrigation में क्या होता है? From that picture, can you differentiate? Can you find out the difference between drip irrigation and sprinkle irrigation? Drip irrigation.
यस टीचर.
हाँ बताओ, ड्रिप इरिगेशन में क्या होता है?
ड्रिप इरिगेशन में पाइप रहता है, उसमें होल्स रहते हैं, जिससे प्लांट को पानी पहुंचता है.
पानी पहुंचता है. ओके. स्प्रिंकल इरिगेशन
में पानी हर जगह फैल जाता है.
Okay, so in sprinkle irrigation, that spray water directly on plants. Okay, तो दोनों irrigation का benefit क्या है? What is the benefit about? What benefit we are getting from both irrigation? ड्रिप इरिगेशन हो या स्प्रिंकल इरिगेशन हो, दोनों में से हमें क्या बेनिफिट मिल रहा है?
वाटर सेव होता है.
वाटर सेव होता है. वेरी गुड. ओके, दोनों इरिगेशन में से वी आर saving the water, which is very very important. Okay, so which two methods we discussed now in modern agriculture? First we discussed about
ट्रेडिशनल इरिगेशन.
no, now I'm asking in modern agriculture which method we discussed. First which method we discussed? Modern agriculture में पहले हम लोग किसके बारे में डिस्कस किया था?
Improves it.
Improved
Improves
seeds.
it.
Very good. Yes. Second.
Irrigation.
Irrigation. Okay. Now we'll discuss about fertilizers. Okay. So what are fertilizers? Fertilizers means what?
Substance होता है.
Huh?
Substance होता है जिसको प्लांट में डालेंगे तो प्लांट जल्दी उगता है.
Plant क्या होता है?
जल्दी उगता है.
Okay.
और उसपे कीड़े नहीं आते.
कीड़े नहीं आते. ओके. सो फर्टिलाइजर्स सी, हम लोग जब प्लांट को सॉइल में प्लांट करते हैं तो सॉइल में जो भी न्यूट्रिएंट्स है वो प्लांट एब्जॉर्ब करके खत्म होता है. ओके. सो वी नीड टू नरिश द प्लांट विथ मोर न्यूट्रिएंट्स. कि हमें प्लांट्स को ज्यादा और न्यूट्रिएंट्स देना जरूरी है. सो फॉर दैट व्हाट वी आर डूइंग, we are providing fertilizers, we are adding fertilizers. Okay, so fertilizers in Hindi it is khat. Khat. Okay, so fertilizers, it provide nutritive substances to the crop. Okay, वो plant को nutritions देता है, extra nutritions देता है. तो fertilizers are also two types. We can classify fertilizers in two ways. Which are they? See, have you seen in the village they used to put cow dung? Cow dung matlab? Have you heard cow dung? Say, cow dung suna hai?
No, teacher.
No? नहीं सुना है cow dung? Don't laugh, be frank. You are a science student. बायोगैस किससे बनता है? Tell me what is meant by cow dung.
Animal wastage.
Animal?
Animal wastage.
Animal wastage. Very good.
Wastage.
So, wastage. So cow का waste है cow dung. Okay. Cow का excretory product है cow dung. So have you seen in the village farming में cow dung use करते? They use dry leaves. Okay. So why they are using this cow dung and dry leaves? Why they are using?
इंसेक्ट ना आए इसके लिए.
सिर्फ इंसेक्ट ना आए इसके लिए यूज करते.
और वो जल्दी बड़ा हो जाए इसके लिए.
कैसे जल्दी बड़ा होता है? तो एक ड्राई लीव्स काउ डंग से वो प्लांट को क्या मिल रहा है?
न्यूट्रिशन.
हाँ, न्यूट्रिशन. ओके, वेरी गुड. सो दिस काउ डंग, dry leaves, all are natural fertilizer. Okay, this cow dung, dry leaves, these are natural fertilizers. So natural fertilizers we can call it as manure also. MANURE, manure. Okay, जो natural fertilizers होता है उसको क्या बोलते हैं हम लोग? manure. Say with me, manure. Say
manure.
manure. manure का spelling क्या है? स्पेलिंग क्या है? MANURE. ओके, सो दे जो नेचुरल फर्टिलाइजर्स है उनको हम लोग मैन्योर बोलते हैं. ओके, एंड केमिकल फर्टिलाइजर्स कैसे मिलेंगे? हाउ वी प्रोड्यूस केमिकल फर्टिलाइजर्स? केमिकल से मिलते हैं. ओके, सो वी कैन कॉल इट एज आर्टिफिशियल फर्टिलाइजर्स आल्सो. सो देयर आर टू टाइप्स ऑफ फर्टिलाइजर्स, natural fertilizers and
manure.
Natural fertilizers are called manures. So that is one type of fertilizer. Which are the other type of fertilizers?
Chemical fertilizer.
Chemical fertilizer.
Chemical fertilizer.
Okay, so this chemical fertilizers and natural fertilizers, they provide nutrition to the plants. Okay, so idhar tak do you have any doubt?
No, teacher.
And till this you need extra notes. Do you need any extra notes?
No, teacher.
No. Okay. So you have to learn all this. Okay. Next class I will ask you. Okay. So
Yes, teacher.
what are all things we discussed today? We discussed about 2 agricultural season. Which are they? Which are the 2 agricultural season?
Kharif season and Rabi season.
Okay. After that, we discussed about traditional agricultural method and modern agricultural method. So in traditional agricultural method, the leather bag which farmer used to draw water is known as leather bag which farmer is used to draw the water is known as, वो लेदर बैग को क्या बोलते थे? Forgot? I have show you the picture also. M-O-T. M-O-T means what?
Moat.
Moat. So moat is that leather bag. So this is sure. This is an important fill up question. Okay, moat. In mostly in all exams, in fill up side you can see this question. Moat. So moat is a leather bag farmer used to draw water for agriculture. Okay. So after that,
From the well.
So after that, what we discussed in traditional agriculture, we discussed about improved seeds, then 2 types of irrigation. Which are the 2 types of irrigation?
Sprinkle irrigation and drip irrigation.
Sprinkle irrigation and drip irrigation. After that, we discussed about fertilizers. So which are the 2 types of fertilizers?
Natural fertilizer and chemical.
Natural fertilizer and chemical fertilizers. Okay.
Chemical fertilizer.
Okay. So what do you think? Natural fertilizers are good या chemical fertilizers are good? आपको क्या लगता है कौन सा अच्छा है?
Natural fertilizer.
Natural fertilizers are good.
Natural fertilizer.
Yes, natural fertilizers are good. Why chemical fertilizers are not good? Chemical fertilizers
रहता है.
chemicals रहता है तो वो हमारा agriculture को कैसे affect करेगा? How it will affect our agriculture? How it affect? अगर केमिकल्स यूज किया तो कैसे अफेक्ट करेगा? टेल योर ओपिनियन. अगर वो गलत हो सही हो whatever, you just open up. Tell your opinion. Yes, Ali Hassan. अगर केमिकल फर्टिलाइजर्स यूज कर रहा है तो वो प्लांट्स को कैसे अफेक्ट करेंगे?
प्लांट्स के लिए अच्छा नहीं रहता.
अच्छा नहीं रहता तो केमिकल्स
प्लांट्स खराब हो जाएगा.
प्लांट्स खराब हो रहा है या yes, so chemical fertilizers अगर ज्यादा यूज किया, if you are using excessive chemicals, it lowers the fertility of the soil. उसका मतलब क्या है? It lowers the fertility of the soil. मतलब ट्राई करो.
सॉइल को खराब कर देगा.
हाँ, सॉइल को कैसे खराब करेगा? उसका फर्टिलिटी कम करेगा. फर्टिलिटी मतलब फर्टाइल सॉइल मतलब फर्टाइल सॉइल मतलब क्या होता है?
फर्टिलाइज सॉइल,
हाँ, फर्टिलाइज
इसको
सॉइल।
फर्टिलाइजर कर सकते हैं।
हाँ, तो फर्टिलाइजर से क्या मिलता है? फर्टिलाइजर से हम लोग फर्टिलाइजर क्यों ऐड करते हैं सॉइल में?
प्लांट को ग्रो करने के लिए।
हाँ, तो प्लांट को ग्रो करने के लिए क्या चाहिए?
फर्टिलाइजर।
हाँ हाँ, तो फर्टिलाइजर में क्या मिलता है? सी, फॉर योर ग्रोथ यू नीड फूड, तो फूड में से व्हाट यू आर गेटिंग?
न्यूट्रिशंस।
Nutrition. So in the same way, plants are also getting nutrients या nutrients from the fertilizer. So fertile soil मतलब जिधर nutritions हो, जिधर nutrients हो plants के growth के लिए. तो when we are using excessive chemicals, what happen? This chemical will lower the fertility of the soil. Soil का nutritive value कम करते हैं. Clear?
यस टीचर।
ओके, सो ज्यादा फर्टिलाइजर यूज करने से, ज्यादा केमिकल फर्टिलाइजर यूज करने से इट लोअर्स द फर्टिलिटी ऑफ द सॉइल. तो जब फर्टिलिटी कम होएगा सॉइल का, जब न्यूट्रिटिव वैल्यू कम होएगा सॉइल का, तो क्या होएगा उसका, कैसे उसका असर पड़ेगा? यस, क्या होएगा अगर सॉइल का न्यूट्रिटिव वैल्यू कम हो रहा है तो क्या होएगा?
तो प्लांट मुरझा जाएगा।
यस, सो इट विल reduces the productivity मतलब हमें उतना crops नहीं मिलेगा. Understand? So that is the meaning of this sentence.
यस टीचर।
So the overuse of chemical fertilizers, it lowers the fertility of the soil and reduces its productivity. Okay? And in the same way, अगर हम प्लांट्स को बहुत ज्यादा पानी दे रहा है तो क्या होएगा? ओवर वाटरिंग इज इट गुड फॉर एग्रीकल्चर?
नो टीचर।
तो क्या होता है ओवर वाटरिंग से, क्या होता है?
प्लांट्स गिर जाएगा।
प्लांट्स
गिर जाएगा।
plants will die. Okay, and it make the land saline. Okay, वो लैंड को सलाइन बनाता है. एंड फैलो, फैलो मतलब saline and fallow मतलब it is not good for
सॉफ्ट कर देगा।
sorry,
सॉफ्ट कर देगा लैंड को
हाँ
पानी।
हाँ, yes, तो it will not promote the growth of the plants. Okay, so over watering भी अच्छा नहीं है. In the same way, over use of chemical fertilizers are not good for agriculture. Okay, and have you heard about insecticides and pesticides? Insecticides and pesticides के बारे में सुना है?
यस टीचर।
तो क्या करते हैं इंसेक्टिसाइड्स और पेस्टिसाइड्स?
उसमें इंसेक्ट्स की दवा डालते।
हाँ, तो insecticides and pesticides, it will kill the insects. Okay, insecticides and pesticides, it will kill the insects or pest. Okay, so is it good? insecticide और pesticide ज्यादा यूज करने में अच्छा है?
नो टीचर।
Yes, so everything we should use in controlled manner. We should use within the limit. Otherwise, it will affect our agriculture. It will affect the productivity. Okay? Clear?
यस टीचर।
किधर डाउट है?
नो टीचर।
Okay. Now, अभी after agriculture, we will do harvesting. Harvesting मतलब क्रॉप सब
पानी
grow
को जमा
होने-
करना,
हाँ यस, किसको जमा करना?
पानी को।
पानी को। सो इन एग्रीकल्चर हार्वेस्टिंग मीन्स वो जो क्रॉप्स जो ग्रो हुआ है उसको कट करना, ओके उसको कट करके जमा करना, दैट इज हार्वेस्टिंग। ओके अभी ये हार्वेस्टिंग के बाद वी विल गेट ग्रेन्स, राइस, व्हीट, जवार एक्सेट्रा। नाउ वी हैव टू स्टोर इट, ये हमें वो स्टोर करना है। तो स्टोर कैसे स्टोर करना है? ऐसे डब्बे में बंद करके रखेगा तो वी कैन यूज इट लाइफ लॉन्ग? Can we use it
No,
lifelong?
teacher.
No. So what we have to do? What we should do to prevent the damage of stored grains? घर पे मम्मी क्या करते?
फ्रिज में रख देते हैं।
हाँ फ्रिज में रखते, चावल को भी फ्रिज में रखते।
No,
क्या
teacher.
कर फिर क्या
वेजिटेबल
करते?
को फ्रिज में रख देते हैं।
हाँ ग्रेन्स को क्या करते?
स्टोर करके डब्बे में रखते हैं।
हाँ have you
स्टोर कर
seen
देते हैं।
have you seen your mother putting neem leaves? नीम का पत्ता डालते हुए देखा है?
Yes, teacher.
Yes, so this neem, it will, what it will do? It will repel the pest. उस नीम के स्मेल से वो पेस्ट आने से रोकता है. Okay, it will stop the pest attack. So neem
Yes.
leaves, and in market boric acid is available. Boric powder is available. So this boric powder also help us to store the grains. Okay, store the grains safely.
Yes.
Okay, so all these things help us to for proper agriculture. Okay, तो पहले एग्रीकल्चर या अच्छा प्रोडक्टिविटी के लिए हमें क्या क्या चाहिए? सॉइल फर्टाइल होना चाहिए, वाटर होना चाहिए, देन वी नीड टू प्रोवाइड फर्टिलाइजर्स। ओके, और एक बार हार्वेस्टिंग होने के बाद वी नीड टू protect the seeds, or we need to store the seeds properly, not seeds, crops properly.
Yes.
Okay, this much is clear.
Yes.
Okay, so now next in your textbook it is given about green revolution. So who is this in this picture? Can you identify? Do you know this person?
Dr.
Huh?
Swaminathan.
Dr. M.S. Swaminathan. So who is he? Who is he? Who is Dr. M.S. Swaminathan? Okay, leave it. You just read the head. Huh? Sorry. Once again. Okay, you just read the heading.
The tremendous increase in
No,
food
that
grain
heading
production
title.
in
Title
our
you have
country.
to read. Ali Hassan, you have to read the title.
The Green Revolution.
The Green Revolution. So what is
Green Revolution.
yes? So what is meant by Green Revolution? What is Green Revolution?
झाड़ बनने लगे.
Huh?
Trees बनने लगे. Trees.
Your mic is muted. Green. See. So Dr. M.S. Swaminathan, he is father of Green Revolution. Okay. So what he did, he used improved seeds. Improved seeds use करके he increased the productivity of rice and wheat. Okay. तो उन्होंने क्या किया? He led to improvement in the seeds of wheat and rice that resulted in the green revolution. Okay, that is green revolution. उन्होंने क्या किया? He used improved seeds use किया right and wheat का, and he increased the productivity and rice and wheat. That is green revolution, and this credit goes to this person. His name is Dr. M.S. Swaminathan. Okay, clear?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, read this paragraph.
The terminal
One
increase
second,
in
one
food
second.
grain production in our country.
It is tremendous.
The terminus
Not terminus. Tremendous. Tremendous.
Tremendous increase in food grain production in our country was achieved during the Green Revolution. The
Okay.
credit for the research that lead to improve in the seed
Improvement.
of wheat and rice
That
that
led to improvement.
Improvement in the seeds of wheat and rice that resulted in the Green Revolution in India goes to
Dr. M.S.
Swaminathan.
Swaminathan. Okay, so he is the person known for the Green Revolution. So Green Revolution means what he did, he used improved seeds of rice and wheat and increased the productivity. Okay, so this person name is M.S. Swaminathan. Now another term is organic farming. What is meant by organic farming? This is another important part in this lesson, organic farming. Any idea what is organic farming?
No, teacher.
So organic farming means in this type of farming, only natural things are used. Okay, in the farming where only natural things are used, these are known as organic farming. Okay, so here no chemicals are used. So as a result, we can retain the nutritive value of the soil. हम लोग इधर chemicals ही नहीं use कर रहे, तो वो soil को affect नहीं करेगा. Okay, understood? That is organic farming. You just read this. Read from the screen. What is organic farming?
Organic farming. Farming that relies on natural organic materials.
Farming that relies. Relies means depend. Farming that
is called organic farming.
Okay.
Organic farming involves use of manure obtained from plant and animals. In this method, the nutritive substances in the soil are retained. The organic pesticides used in the method no harmful effect.
Okay. Then
the grain growth by this method is nutritious and also good to taste.
Okay, so this is organic farming.
Also
good to taste. So in organic farming, we are using only natural substances which are obtained from plants and animals. Okay, and there are no harmful effects. Even if you are using organic pesticides, there are no harmful effects. Okay, and we can maintain the nutritive value of the soil. Soil का nutritive value हम लोग maintain कर सकते, and it is not harmful at all. Okay, so this is what organic farming. Understood about organic farming? Okay.
Yes, teacher.
Okay. Now there is one law. Law means, what is law? Have you heard about laws? Have you heard about food security law?
Law मतलब कानून.
Yes, कानून. Very good. So there is one law for food security also. तो उससे क्या है? So food security law means many countries have made laws to ensure that every person gets sufficient food. Okay? दुनिया में जितना भी लोग हैं उनको sufficient, enough food मिलना चाहिए. Okay? So that is this law. This law ensure that every person gets sufficient food according to their need. Okay, so this law is known as food security law. Okay, and in 2013 our country too enacted a food security law. So we know that अभी भी इंडिया में कोई किसी जगह पे लोगों को खाना नहीं मिल रहा है. Have you heard such news? Have you heard such incidents? आपने सुना है ऐसा? ओके, सो ये लॉ से क्या होता है? ये लॉ इंश्योर करता है कि एवरी पर्सन गेट सफिशिएंट फूड अकॉर्डिंग टू देयर नीड. ओके, सो दिस इज व्हाट्स फूड सिक्योरिटी लॉ. ओके, understood what is food security
Yes,
law? And one more thing is that agricultural assistant program. See, अगर अभी देखो अभी जमाने में बहुत सारे नए टेक्नोलॉजीज आ रहा है. सो इन द केस ऑफ फार्मिंग आल्सो, ट्रेडिशनल फार्मिंग में हमने सीखा इरिगेशन मेथड, ट्रैक्टर्स यूज करके एग्रीकल्चर करना. ओके, तो ये फार्मर्स को कैसे पता चलता है? हाउ फार्मर्स विल कम टू नो about the new technologies? तो फार्मर्स को इसके
एग्रीकल्चर सेंटर.
तो फार्मर्स को इसके बारे में एग्रीकल्चरल सेंटर. ओके, सो फार्मर्स को इसके बारे में अवेयरनेस देने के लिए देयर आर सो मेनी प्रोग्राम्स. तो ये प्रोग्राम को बोलते हैं एग्रीकल्चरल असिस्टेंस प्रोग्राम. ओके, टू मेक फार्मर अवेयर अबाउट द टेक्नोलॉजीज, न्यू टेक्नोलॉजीज. ओके, तो इसमें क्या होता है? फार्मर्स को प्रॉपर इंफॉर्मेशन मिलता है, गाइडेंस मिलता है कैसे क्या करने का, इम्प्रूव्ड सीड्स कैसे यूज करने का, फर्टिलाइजर्स कैसे यूज करने का, पेस्टिसाइड्स कैसे यूज करने का. सो ऑल दिस information they will get through this agricultural assistance program. जो भी फील्ड हो, अगर टेचर हो, टीचर्स को भी ट्रेनिंग मिलता है. जो भी हो सबको ट्रेनिंग मिलता है. किसके बारे में ट्रेनिंग मिलता है? जो नया सीखते, जो नया टेक्नोलॉजीज आते हैं तो उनके बारे में, ये टेक्नोलॉजीज के बारे में प्रॉपर गाइडेंस मिलता है. ओके, सो इन द सेम वे फार्मर्स आल्सो गेट इंफॉर्मेशन या प्रॉपर गाइडेंस थ्रू एग्रीकल्चर. हेलो, अभी आ रहा है? हेलो,
यस टीचर.
नाउ यू कैन हियर मी?
जा रहा है आवाज.
हाँ, सो
यस टीचर.
ओके, तो फार्मर्स को प्रॉपर इंफॉर्मेशन और गाइडेंस करने के लिए there is a program called agricultural assistant program. Okay, clear?
Yes teacher.
Okay, so आज जो भी सिखाया है you have to learn it. Next class में I will take revision.
Yes teacher.
और कुछ डाउट है आपको, किसी का नोट्स चाहिए तो you please message. I will provide you. Okay,
yes,
और जो भी important terms है उसका सब spelling you have to learn it properly.
Yes teacher.
Okay, okay, so see you in the next class. Okay, bye.